Hello everyone, it's Dr. Wolfe, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how different scenarios can affect global warming using our carbon cycle model. Now, even though they do have varying amounts, different amounts, for simplicity's sake, I just put 5 squares in each pool to show, hey, this is the carbon in the pools. So the first question is, how does burning fossil fuels contribute to climate change? So here we have carbon in the form of fossil fuels. They're normally in the ground, but when we burn them through combustion, we are putting more carbon in the form of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. All right, the thing that we do not want is carbon in this pool. It could be anywhere else, but when it's in the atmosphere in the form of carbon dioxide, that's what causes the greenhouse effect. That's what's going to increase global warming. All right. For our second scenario, how does deforestation affect global warming? All right. Well, even though we're not burning fossil fuels, plants, right, through photosynthesis, take this carbon out of the atmosphere. So that's an awesome, awesome thing. All right. However, if we deforest, instead of that carbon going back into the plants, it stays in the atmosphere. In effect, even if we're not burning fossil fuels, if we're deforesting, all right, it's almost the exact same result, right? We have more carbon in the atmosphere. That's going to increase global warming. All right, third question, how does destroying our soils affect global warming? Well, in our soils, carbon is in the form of glucose and other organic molecules. All right. It works when you have healthy plants and ecosystems going on right here. And imagine, though, that maybe through the process of deforestation, other things that you're killing some of these plants, animals, and now the soil's going away as well. Well, where does this carbon go? Right? We have 4 options: animals, plants, fossil fuels, or the atmosphere. All right. I think the one that makes most sense, and this is what happens, is the carbon from the microbes that was once in the microbes. Once those microbes are gone, that just goes back out into the atmosphere. So it's almost like the same thing of burning fossil fuels. If we're adding carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, all right, in any way, whether we're keeping it there and not taking it in or adding it through multiple ways, the more carbon dioxide we have in the atmosphere, the more global warming we're going to have. So our goal always is reduce how much we're putting in and try to increase how much we are taking out.